Hello, my name is Shelby Grahams and I'm currently helping fill in and do videos for my father Jay. And with that being said, I'm going to give you my best impression of this beautiful 1972 Chevrolet C10 Cheyenne Super. Now here, this wasn't the typical work truck. It came loaded from the factory in its top of the line Cheyenne Super trim in and out. It also comes with air conditioning, power steering, and power disc brakes. Also has the auto trans, and it is a short bed. This truck was documented by its original glove box sticker, and it has lived a clean life. It's a survivor that's been restored as needed. Rust-free Alabama truck was owned by the same family its entire life, admired for its timeless design, robust performance, and versatility, now making a cherished classic truck among enthusiasts. The 1972 model year is particularly popular among collectors due to it being the last year of production for the body style. I mean, just look at it. It has an unusual amount of luxury packed into a 1972 pickup. With that being said, join me and let's go for a spin. Now seriously, this is a short bed loaded up with top-of-the-line trim. This truck is said to be repainted only once and looks marvelous in its factory blue color. The paint was applied with great attention to detail and laid out evenly. It was then polished to a consistent and reflective finish, and all the body panels are nicely aligned throughout and has nice gapping. Now let's see, opening the doors, open and close just like a new truck would. This car also has the chrome bumpers, grille, and deluxe moldings with wood grain inserts, and it also has dual mirrors and the original antenna. It also has the original cargo light as well, and the trim is looking great on it. Nice and shiny throughout and straight. The windshield and rear glass are crystal clear, has rubber seals that are nice and soft, and is rolling on factory-style 15-inch rally wheels with chrome rings. They are wrapped in like new Michelin tires that are size 235 75 R15s, and there is no disappointments at all with this truck's exterior. Seriously, just look at it. With that being said, let's go look at the interior. Now we're going to look at the bed of this truck. It's a very desirable short bed pickup, and it looks better and fits in the garage. The inside of the bed looks like the family used it to haul cotton balls. I swear, it's straight. Inside and the back of the tailgate are painted body color and have the same finish as the exterior. The tailgate functions like it should. Now don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you will be notified when the next video is posted. Now coming to the inside of this truck, the deluxe interior is also decked out, including wood grain trim, houndstooth upholstery, a deluxe wheel, and a headliner. It appears to be mostly original and well cared for. You could tell it's unabused, just the right amount of patina. The original sticker listing the options is still on the inside of the glove box, and down on the floor the carpet was replaced and protected with a one-piece floor mat, and it still has its blue seat belts. The metal still has nice blue paint, and the door panels are great originals. Houndstooth seats look good too. The dash area is great original condition, especially the steering wheel. And overhead is the optional headliner and the visors, both in excellent shape as well. Also, a working interior light is in place, and the original radio is still here, along with the addition of an 8-track player complete with a Johnny Cash tape. Now looking under the hood, you can clearly see it is decked out. It has rear factory air conditioning, power steering, and power brakes. It's all clean, proper, and stock. At the heart of it, it's still original 350 motor with a 4-barrel carb, stock manifolds, valve covers, air cleaner, and even the heat riser tube. The AC works, the carb looks restored, and the alternator still has a sticker on it. The squirters are even hooked up as well in this truck. The underside of the hood and firewall are painted body color, and the fender wells have been neatly painted satin black. What a nice looking engine compartment we have here. I am impressed. Now the underside of this truck looks like clean, rust-free, original metal. The underside has received a thorough detail and looks great. It has also been maintained as needed and is currently in fantastic condition. Now the front steering and suspension components look fresh and have been neatly painted satin black. The rear suspension also looks really good with fresh black paint and has upgraded coilover shocks. This truck is also equipped with front power disc brakes and rear drums, and the e-brake is even hooked up. The full dual exhaust system has been totally replaced and has full master mufflers and shiny polished stainless tips that exit under the rear bumper. And looking up at the motor, I see fresh Chevy orange and a fresh starter. The Turbo 350 automatic transmission has been serviced and looks very clean. It has its original dated 12-bolt rear end that also has been freshened up with some black paint. Now our team of professional mechanics has completed a thorough inspection of this truck and serviced the AC system, replaced the blower motor, compressor, POA valve, and charged the system. We also lubed the window tracks and serviced the trans with a filter kit and new fluid. We also installed a manifold gasket and exhaust collector gaskets. And you can find short beds with all the goodies custom added. If you want factory stock loaded with all the goodies, it becomes much more difficult. Unlike most pickup trucks, this one family-owned Survivor has been pampered its entire life, has been nicely repainted and maintained, and looks absolutely fantastic. It's begging to be back on the road where it belongs, turning heads and getting compliments everywhere. Chevy Cheyenne never forgets it's a tough truck. With that being said, don't let the opportunity slip off your fingertips. So go on, I know you want to. Go on, give us a call and we can help set up delivering this car to your door and even set up financing. Thanks for watching.